Hi everybody, welcome to another Chats with Children. I hope you're safe and well. Today I'm delighted to be joined by, I need to make sure I get the pronunciation right, Theresia Schaedler, who is the senior scientist at Maxion Therapeutics. But we're not going to be talking about Maxion Therapeutics today. We are actually going to be talking about ELRIG UK's upcoming Research and Innovation event in Oxford, which is running on the 29th to the 30th, because Theresia is actually one of the conference directors, so I thought I'd catch up with her and find out a bit more about it from her perspective. So first of all, Theresia, it's lovely to meet you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank you.
Fantastic. And where are you calling in from?
I'm based in Cambridge.
All right. So hopefully the sun is shining where you are as it's shining in Surrey today.
It is indeed. It's
Fantastic.
indeed lovely
It
day.
makes such a difference. Anyway, look, it's lovely to meet you. Before we start talking about the actual event, would you mind giving viewers a quick background on yourself and also how you came to be involved with ELRIG and how long you've been involved with ELRIG?
Yeah, sure. There's quite a few questions there. So as you've already mentioned, I'm Theresia Schaedler. I'm currently a senior scientist in Maxion Therapeutics in Cambridge. So we are a small startup company, a drug discovery company, currently setting up. So I'm very busy as a senior scientist in the lab, setting up the platform and getting everything going. So it's a very exciting process. I got involved in ELRIG actively a year ago as an early career professional. So as part of the science strategy committee. Before that, I was already involved in ELRIG as well, but by attending the events. I was not involved in the organization, but I attended quite a few events before actively joining.
Fantastic. And well, for those who are not familiar with the sort of early career professionals part of ELRIG, can you tell viewers a little bit about that anyway, as you are involved in that segment of the organization?
Yeah, so early career professionals are a very important part of the ELRIG community, and they're basically professionals that are just starting out their scientific career. So they're either directly coming out from their PhD studies, or in my case, I was in academia for a long time and then transitioned into industry. And it's classified as an early career professional if you're within the first few years of starting an industry position. And for ECPs, that's the abbreviation of it. It's ELRIG is a fantastic opportunity to network, get to know the latest science in the field, and exchanging and collaborating on ideas. So for me, it was a very helpful transition out of academia into industry.
Fantastic. Now, talking about the event next week, for those who are not familiar with it, can you give a quick overview of the event for me?
Yeah, sure. So the event is a two-day event with 4 different tracks, including genome engineering, an omics session, an RNA therapeutics session, and digital age. So the talks cover basically cutting edge of research contributing towards drug discovery in these particular areas. And the talks are fantastic. The speakers are great. They're great keynote speakers covering all these various aspects. And one great aspect of this event is that some of the tracks run in parallel, and you're ready to move between tracks and basically pick the talks and topics that are most interesting and relevant to you and get a lot of exchange between scientists that are on site.
Fantastic. And do you have, I asked Verena this very same question, so let's see if you come up with the same answer. In terms of the tracks next week, one is any particular track you're looking forward to? And secondly, are there any talks in particular that you're looking forward to?
So that's a very difficult decision, because I think the program overall, all tracks are extremely interesting and really have fantastic science to offer. So I wouldn't be able to pick one particular track or one particular talk. As I said, the speaker quality is great. They're fantastic keynote speakers as well. So I wouldn't be able to pick anything. But,
well, that's funny enough what Verena said as well. So there you go.
Yeah,
all right, fantastic. But from your own background, obviously, and the work that you do, though, is there anything though that would sort of reinforce the work that you're doing, which is going to be at the event?
So I think overall, it's the theme of how to move the science forward into, for example, the digital age. So basically the next trends in research, because obviously this is one of the most important parts, because lots of the techniques are already there or partially established, but just looking forward into how to make it more mainstream or even getting it to the next level. That's one of the big aspects of this meeting. So I think it's a great aspect.
Fantastic. And apart from the actual presentations themselves. You know, and as someone who has attended a lot of ELRIG events before you sort of joined the board, so to speak, what other benefits do people get from attending an event like the R&I event next week?
Yeah, so one big benefit is also especially important for early career professionals is there's a lot of opportunity to network and discuss science with other researchers. So there are a lot of breaks built in, refreshment breaks, which allow you to discuss with scientists from other backgrounds at different career levels and exchange and potentially start collaborations as well. So that's one of the big aspects that make ELRIG very, worth attending. It's very, very beneficial.
Fantastic. And so final words then, for those people who are maybe undecided or thinking about it, why should they be attending next week's event if they're in the UK and can go?
Yeah, so obviously, as I've mentioned already, the science is fantastic. So you will learn a lot of new things in these areas. You will have a lot of opportunities to interact with other researchers. And also, it's very accessible for everyone because it's a free event, which is one of the strong points, obviously, of ELRIG. So there's no financial barriers in that respect. So definitely come and attend and have a listen and a discussion.
Fantastic. Well, Theresia, thank you very much for that. I look forward to seeing you in person next week in Oxford.
Yeah.
So, and there you go, viewers. So I think Theresia summed it up really well. So if you would like to know more about the R&I event and register, it is free, as Theresia just mentioned. So it's a great opportunity if you're able to attend to learn about new science and what's going on within drug discovery. And also I must mention all the sponsors who are also there as well. There's lots of new technology which will be on display as well. So make sure you check that out and go to the website. The link will be above the video. If you've got any questions for Theresia with regards to the early career professionals or the event or anything else, and I'm sure she'll be happy to answer them, put them in the comments below, and I'm sure she'll be happy to share her knowledge and wisdom as part of that as well.
Definitely,
so,
I'm more than happy to do that.
Brilliant. So Theresia, all that's left for me to say is thank you very much for taking time out to talk for me. It's the first time she's done something like this for you, so I'm sure you will agree she's done a fantastic job. So thank you very much for taking time out to talk to me.
Thank you. Thanks.
And thank you, viewers, for watching. As I said, check out the link above the video and make sure you sign up. And I look forward to seeing you there next week maybe as well. So until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you.